So I got some beads in there and I tried to fuse it as best I could, but I think, let's see here. So there's my inside corner. It doesn't look that good because I have the metal rod slag all in there, but I used a little jig to hold my pieces at 90 degrees. And here is the outcome. So I think I need to play with the heat and figure out how hot it needs to be to get the glassiness to really roll off of there and fuse together. Let's see. There's a pretty good look at it. You can see where I put the rod and it kind of just blotted up there. So I'm still working on how to get that nice glassy bead rolling through there. But 90-degree inside corner oxy fusion weld. I'm getting there.